Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve this nice algebraic question. The equation we have b plus b plus b is equals to b times b times b. Here we need to find out the value of b. So let's get started the solution. Here I will going to use two different methods to solve out this expression. The method 1 we have here we have the same variables, so I'm going to add up all the variables here. So it will be equals to 3b is equals to, now here I'm going to multiply first two terms and we have one power here. So I'm going to add b to the power of 2 times b. Now here I want to remove this b. So for that I will going to divide both the side by b. Here this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. So the expression we will get, that is 3 is equals to b square. Now I want to remove this square, so I'm going to take root both the side. Here this and this get cancelled, so b is equals to plus minus root 3. So this is the first method that we can use to find out the value of b. So b1 we have here is positive root 3 and b2 we have that is negative root 3. But we have the third value of b that we're going to find out by second method. The expression we have, now here I will going to add up the same variable 3b, but here I will going to multiply all the b's here, and here we have the one power, so I'm going to add up the power, so b to the power of 3. Now I was going to take this 3b to the right hand side, so the expression here then b cubed minus 3b is equals to 0. Now in the next step I will going to take common here of b. B cubed minus 3b is equals to 0. So here I was going to take common of b. Here b square is remaining. Here 3 is remaining is equals to 0. So here b is equals to 0. Now in replacement of 3, I will going to write a is equals to root a square. So this and this get cancelled. So I will get the same a value. So same as here, I can write this a is equals to root of a and whole to the power of 2. So here this and this get cancelled. So I will going to use this way to write 3 in this form. So b square minus root 3 whole to the power of 2 is equals to 0. Now I will going to apply the algebraic identity, that is x square minus y square is equals to x plus y and x minus y. Now here I will going to apply this, and this is our x and this is y value. Now we're going to write b, and b minus root 3 b plus root 3 is equals to 0. So here we will get b is equals to 0 and b minus root 3 is equals to 0 and b plus root 3 is equals to 0. So here we get the b1 value, and I'm going to find out the b2 value. Minus root 3 is equals to 0. So b2 is equals to positive root 3. And here b3 plus root 3 is equals to 0. So b is equals to minus root 3. So here we get the three values of b. The first one we have, that is 0. And the second we have positive root 3. And the third we have negative root 3. Now it's time to verify my answer. The equation we have, for b value, if I'm going to plug in, we'll get both the sides 0. So that is already verified. Now we're going to verify the positive root 3. So here we have root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 is equals to root 3 times root 3 times root 3. Now here we have the 1. So I will going to add up all. We have the common root inside values. So I'm going to write 3 root 3 here. And here I will going to write this easily. 2 times we have root 3. So we're going to write root 3 whole to the power of 2 times root 3. So here this and this get cancelled. So 3 root 3 is equals to 3 root 3. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of B2 we find out is absolutely correct. Now I'm going to verify my B3 value. The B3 value we have negative root 3. So negative root 3 plus negative root 3 plus negative root 3 is equals to negative root 3 times negative root 3 times negative root 3. Now I'm going to solve first, multiply the powers, plus minus minus root 3 plus minus minus root 3 is equals to, now I'm going to multiply the first two negative square root of 3. So minus root 3 and whole to the power of 2 times. We have 1 here, so we're going to solve first 2 here. So it will be equals to minus 2 root 3 minus root 3. And here this we're going to be cancelled out by this, and as we're going to multiply this negative root 3 twice because we have the even power here. So we'll get the positive value. So 3 and negative root 3. And here this will be equals to, again we have 1. So here minus 3 root 3 is equals to negative 3 root 3. So here the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of B3 we find out is absolutely correct. So thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.